Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear browsing data in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the browser window to open up the menu and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security, and then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, select the Clear Browsing Data option. So if you want to select the time range in here, you click the drop-down. You can select anything between all time, the last month, 7 days, 24 hours, or the last hour. And this can clear browsing history, which includes history in the search box, cookies and other site data, which will sign you out of most websites, as well as cached images and files. So you can just have all those selected, or you can also select the advanced option here to select even more options such as password and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site settings, as well as hosted app data. So just once you made your selections, go ahead and select the clear data and give that a moment. And you may want to relaunch the Chrome web browser. I don't believe it's necessary, but if you did and just close out of here and you relaunch the Chrome web browser, that should be all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.